the question, the cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is to be found rupees 300. Got it? Represent the situation algebraically as well as geometrically. Geometrically means graphical. So first we will do it algebraically. Let the cost of 1 kg of apples rupees is equal to rupees x, let's suppose, and same let the cost of 1 kg of grapes rupees y. Okay, 1 kg of rupees y. Now according to our question, what we have to do here we have to find out that 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes were bought. So what will be the cost of 2 kg of apples? Let me give you some example. On the back, let's suppose I am having apples cost as it is apples cost as 30 rupees and grapes cost as 20 rupees. ओके, मुझे पता है कि इतनी कॉस्ट है, इतनी मुझे 2 kg ऑफ एप्पल्स लिए हैं मैंने, मतलब 2 kg ये लिया है मैंने एंड 3 kg मैंने ये लिया है. अब मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे 2 kg ऑफ एप्पल्स निकालने हैं कॉस्ट एंड 3 kg ऑफ ग्रेप्स की निकालनी है. तो 2 kg ऑफ एप्पल्स के लिए आई विल मल्टीप्लाई इट विथ 30 एंड इट विल बी 60 रुपीज़, right? And if you are thinking that why it is important to multiply, we can add also, because 2 kg then 30 plus 30 we will get 60. But here to form it, to make the equations algebraically, we have to do this at the question of 10th class of the chapter linear equations in one variable, question number 3rd of exercise first. So now same for grapes here, 3 into 20 it will be also 60, right? So same here we will do that. Here the cost of 1 kg is x. For 2 kg of apples, here 2x will be written, and for 1 kg of grapes plus y will be written is equal to rupees, what is written here, 160. 160 will be written. Okay, it is the one equation. If you are having something which may I show you here in this first question, or it is the second question, I will explain you this also. You may see one, यहाँ पर लिए हमने, we have seen that we are getting something common, so you have to take here common if you are getting. But if you are not getting, then there is no need. Now take the bigger term that side, means y is equal to rupees 160 minus 2x. Now put the value to x, means give the value to x, make a table here for x and y. I am making here, make 4 boxes. It is very necessary to make 4 boxes. So I am making here 4 boxes. Now just see, put the value for x, you will get value of y. Let x, suppose, give the values 150, near about this. I am giving here x as 100. Let x be 100. No, you are not able to give it 100. Let me suppose it 50. 50 x 50 मान लिया हमने, तो 50 इसको आप पूरा सॉल्व करके देखना चाहते हैं तो सॉल्व भी कर सकते हैं. Like that 160 minus 2 into 50, that will be 160 minus 5 to the 10 and 100, and that will be rupees 60. Y will be equal to 60. You have to solve this like that. Let it be 30. So I have solved this only for your convenience, that you may able to understand what is written. So now for suppose we are putting here 30 as x. 3 2 just 6, 60. It will be 100. Suppose we are putting it 20, 2. Oh sorry, 20. 2 2 just 4 and 40. 40 minus 60, that will be 20 I am putting now. That will be 120. 40, 50, 60, 20. It will be 120 left. Now suppose I am putting it 60. If I am putting it 12, 120, 30, 40, 50, 60, यानी कि 40. It will left. If I am putting here 60, 6 2 ja 12, 120 and 120, 30, 40, 50, 60, यानी कि 40 is left. Now we have to make the graph. Graphically I am not giving the how to express it. I am only telling algebraically in this video for both the terms. Graphically we will do later on. So now for our this in second equation, now we will write in second equation. What will be given here? Second, here is written that 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes. Same, 4 kg of apples plus 2 kg of grapes. You have to take these variables which you have taken here. Apples are x and grapes are y. Change, you may change also. Grapes let x and apples let y. Then you have to let here also the same. Is equal to rupees 300. Now in this you have to take common. Let 2 be common. 2x plus y will be rupees 300. Now 2x plus y will be equal to 300 upon 2 and it will be 2 1s are 2, 1 10 5s are 10 and 50. Now 2x plus y will be equal to 150 rupees. Okay. Now it is the linear equation which we have formed. Now we will do what? We will take the bigger term that side. If here is 2x plus y, then we will take that 2x there. But in this back question, I will explain you this also. In this back question, here is 2y. Don't suppose that we have to take x there or y there. Which is the bigger? You have to take that. To make this question very easy, you have to do this. Okay. Now, what you have to do? Now, you have to make a table which will help you how to make this very easy. Now, put the values here for x. You may put those also. It is not very important to take different values. Now, just see here. We have to put these values. How we will put? Just take a rough notebook. क्या करना है हमें? हमें लिखनी है पूरी equation. 150 minus 2x. That will be, you have to put here. Put here 50. है ना? 50 बचेगा यहाँ पे. अगर आपके अंदर इतना दिमाग है आप सोल्व कर सकते हैं तो करिए. अदरवाइज don't do this. 5 2s are 10 and 100 minus 150, that will be 50. तो यहाँ पर आप 100, अगर आप यहाँ पर 50 ले रहे हैं, लेट x मैंने यहाँ पर सपोज किया है 50, सो यहाँ पर y बच जाएगा हमारा 50. ओके. सेम हियर, अगर मैं यहाँ पर 30 ले लेती हूँ तो 3 2 6 and 60, 150 minus 60 एंड इट विल बी 90, है ना. 60 प्लस करती हूँ उसमें 0 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, हाँ 150 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, 90 आ गया इसका आंसर. ओके. नाउ लेट सपोज इट 60 वी में पुट, हाँ वी में डू 60 हेयर. 6 2 12, 120, 30 40 50, यानी कि 30 इज लेफ्ट. नाउ यू मे टेक हेयर 70 ऑल्सो. 7 2 14, 140, 150 minus 140, that will be 10. हो गई एल्जेब्रिकली एक्सप्रेस कर दिया हमने इसको एल्जेब्रिकली. ग्राफिकल एक्सप्रेस करना सीखना है अगर तो मेरी नेक्स्ट वीडियो देख लेना. आई विल शो यू दैट ऑल्सो, लेकिन मैं ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन भी समझा ही देती हूँ एक बार। तो देखो इसमें लिखा हुआ है कि 3 बैट्स की और 6 बॉल्स की कॉस्ट इतनी है, तो मैंने लेट कर लिया 3x फॉर बैट एंड 6y फॉर दिस बॉल एंड ऐड कर दिया। फिर मैंने सेम वही किया है एंड इसका आ गया ये आंसर। फर्स्ट वाली इक्वेशन बन गई ये मेरी, एंड जो सेकंड वाली इक्वेशन बनी है वो बनी है मेरी ये। यहाँ पर मैंने सॉरी फर्स्ट ही बनी है ना ये, तो x + 3y इज इक्वल टू 1300। रुको लेट मी चेक इट आउट। हाँ अलग अलग इक्वेशंस हैं, एक सेकंड के लिए है एक उसके लिए है, लेकिन मैंने इनको पहले ही बना दिया है एंड इस क्वेश्चन में मैंने बाद में बनाया है, तो यू मे चेक इट आउट। तो ये क्वेश्चन मैंने इसे पुट कर दिया था, सेकंड इक्वेशन में भी मैंने इसको ऐसे ही पुट किया। इसकी ग्राफिकल इक्वेशन के लिए आई हैव लेफ्ट द स्पेस, आई एम नॉट हैविंग ग्राफ्स नाउ, सो आई विल शो दिस लेटर एंड दिस क्वेश्चन आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू। थैंक यू।